Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant forest, there lived a small, shimmering darkling beetle named Dusk. Dusk was known for his beautiful, iridescent wings that sparkled in the sunlight. One scorching summer day, Dusk found himself parched and thirsty, wandering through the arid, sun-scorched landscape. He yearned for a drink of cool, refreshing water. As he journeyed, he came across a crystal-clear stream. But alas, the stream was dry, its waters long evaporated under the relentless sun. Dusk's thirst grew stronger, and he begged the stream for a drink. A wise old oak tree, standing tall by the stream, overheard Dusk's plea. He said, "Dusk, my friend, you should have thought of the importance of water conservation. The stream was once full, but now it is empty because people and animals took too much without thinking." Dusk was saddened by the old oak's words. He realized that he too had contributed to the stream's demise by taking water without thought. He vowed to change his ways and promised to conserve water in the future. From that day forward, Dusk taught other creatures about the importance of water conservation. He showed them that every drop matters and that together, they could ensure the stream remained full for all to enjoy. The moral of the story is that every action we take has consequences, and we must think carefully about how our actions affect the world around us. Let us strive to conserve water, not just for ourselves, but for all living creatures who call this world home.